Hi, third grade. Today we're going to look at Unit 8, Week 3, Day 4. So that means we only have one more day until our Unit 8 assessment. Repeat after me. STLE, castle, soul. TION, vacation, shun. SION, mansion, shun. SION, television, jun. ING, ring, ing. ONG, song, ong. TCH, catch, ch. CH, chin, ch. I, animal, or it. A, Alaska, Nice job. Okay, today we have another word of the day. It has 3 syllables. Confusion. Say it. Confusion. Very good. So the first one, we say confusion, but it's kind of a little bit of a schwa there. If you need to use your tools, you may in your spelling options section. I do believe it's in there. Let's see real quick. I see the C's are on page 45. And I see the word confuse, but I don't see the word confusion. Well, this is interesting. If you know the base word is confuse, it ends with a what? S, right? That'll give you a hint as to which ending to use. Let's do it. C-O-N, right? Few. Not the word few, it's an open syllable. Right. Long U. Confusion. And there really isn't an option there. Maybe that's why it's not in our spelling options notebook there, because jean is only one sound. Which one? S-I-O-N, television, jean. Very good. So when we mark this up, you're going to scoop your syllables. There are 3, so 3 scoops, and you're boxing in your glued sound there. All right, so let's go ahead and add the word of the day, confusion, into our student notebook. The vocabulary section, we've had a lot of words. We've had crunch, catches, confident, copying, and now on page 61, you're going to spell and mark the word confusion. Go ahead and do that. Okay, so just to check, this is what your word confusion should look like on page 61. All right, and let's get ready for our sentence. The sentence is, there was some confusion. There was some confusion during the fire drill. There was some confusion during the fire drill. Go ahead and scoop your sentence when you're confident. Did you put a capital letter and punctuation? There was some confusion during the fire drill. Let's see how you did. There is T-H-E-R-E. Was some confusion. How'd you do with during? That's a tricky one. D-U-R-I-N-G. The fire drill. Excellent work. Okay, behind me on this board, I have all of our words of the day that we've had so far this year. So what I want to do is say the word and have you echo. Okay, you ready? We'll start on this column and we'll move over here quickly. All right. Inspiring. Scrapped. Pollen. Bucket. Predict. Study. Volume. Demonstrated. Actively. Extra. dried, luckiest, bundle, hustle, label, expansion, confusion, crunch, stretch, watch, scold, catches, bonded, grabbed, trapped, shipment, mixed, abandon, confident, medium, duties, copying, stable, settling, and settlement. Nice job. Now let's see, I'm going to ask 3 questions. Can you find a 1-1-1 word that you had to double before attaching a vowel suffix? You could have said grabbed. You could have said trapped. Good. Next question. Can you find a consonant LE word? Bundle, right? Settling, settle is a consonant LE word, but remember when you attach a vowel suffix, you drop the E. Settlement, settle is a consonant LE word, but the consonant suffix, you do not have to drop the E. That's why it's there. I don't know if there are any other ones. There is a consonant LE exception. Do you see it? Right, hustle, that STLE, soul, is the exception to that syllable type. Nice work. All right, the last thing we're doing today is a dictation composition book to get ready for our unit test. Go ahead and open to page 32. And on page 32, put today's date up at the top. All right, get ready for our first sound. Sound number 1 is ah. Say it. Ah. 3 things, write them, go. All right, let's see how you did. Did you get U, A, and I? Very good. Scooch over to number 2. Your next sound is ch. Say it. Ch. 2 things, go. Okay, did you remember CH and TCH? Excellent. Number 3, your sound is soul. Say it. Soul. Go ahead. Did you get that one thing? STLE, Kessel, soul. Good work. Okay, and number 4, shun. Say it. Shun. 2. Go. Did you get TION, vacation, shun? How about SION, mansion, shun? All right, good job on your sound section. Let's go to review word number 1. Write the word ride, riding. I love riding, rides in an amusement park. Riding. Spell it and mark it. Okay, hopefully you remembered ride is a vowel consonant E word. And when you're attaching a vowel suffix like ing, you need to drop the E, but insert it when you mark it. Right? Scooch over to number 2 for your second word. It is dropped. Say it. Dropped. She dropped her pencil and needed to pick it up. Dropped. Spell and mark. Okay, did you remember that drop is what kind of word? 1-1-1. And when you attach a vowel suffix, you double that consonant and star it. ED sometimes sounds like a T, right? So I marked that also up above the ED suffix that I circled. Okay, number 3, your word is candy, candies. There were many candies in the candy dish. Go ahead. I'm sure you did fine with can, right? CAN. Did you box in AN, fan, an? Okay. D. Used to be DY, but did you change that Y to an I before attaching that suffix? All right. Please mark that this I still sounds like that long E for candies. Okay, and then number 4 is try, trying. I hope you are trying your best to spell and mark these words correctly. Trying. Go ahead. All right. Try. Be careful. It's not a ch sound, even though it sounds like that. It's TR, and it is Y, because when you attach a suffix that starts with an I, you do not change the Y to an I. Do we remember that rule? Okay, I still did mark, though, that this Y sounds like a long I, and try is open syllable. Okay, now we're moving on to current words. And if you need to use your spelling options for the mystery parts, please do. Okay. Word number 1 is raffle. Say it. Raffle. I tried to win the raffle basket. Raffle. Spell and mark it. Okay, raff should have been easy. R-A-F, right? Is this a consonant L-E word or a schwa? It is a consonant L-E, so hopefully you doubled that F there. Okay, did you remember to cross off that silent E at the end? Excellent. Scooch over to number 2. Your next word is tickle. Tickled. He was tickled pink when he won. Tickled. Go ahead. All right, that first syllable is tick. How'd you spell it? T-I-C-K. Now, tickle is a consonant L-E word, but when you attach the vowel suffix, remember to drop the E and insert it up above. Okay, you don't want 2 E's there for tickled. Did you circle your ED suffix? All right, excellent. Down to the next row for word number 3. Explosion. Say it. Explosion. Now, if you said that carefully, you should hear that you don't need the spelling option section for this word. Go ahead and try it. All right. How'd you spell X? E-X. How about plo? P-L-O. And then hopefully you all knew to use S-I-O-N, television, jeune, right, for explosion. And this is all you have to do, boys and girls, to mark it. Pretty simple. The last word is prevention. Prevention. Go ahead. Okay, did you get the prefix pre? P-R-E. How about the middle syllable? Then. V-E-N. And then did you see which one to use? Because think about the base word here. Prevent, right? That comes from the other word prevent. So make sure that helps you if you have a question mark sometimes, that prevent becomes prevention with that T-I-O-N, not S-I-O-N. Okay, little quick tip there. All right, sound-alike words are next. The first one is principal. Say it. Principal. Our building principal makes sure that we're all following the school rules. Principal. Just spell it. All right, let's spell that one together. Ready? P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Principal. Remember, pal is the person. That's how I remember the difference. All right, scooch over to the second one, and the word is weak. Say it. Weak. I felt very weak when I had the flu. Weak. Go ahead. Okay, let's spell that one together. Go. W-E-A-K. Weak. Good job. Trick word number 1, could. Could you spell could? Go. Okay, let's spell it together. C-O-U-L-D. Could. And then word number 2 is, you know it, beautiful. Go. Okay, let's spell that one together. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Excellent. And there's one sentence for today. That is, the singer, capital letter, the singer is in the middle, middle. The singer is in the middle of her last song. One more time. The singer is in the middle of her last song. Scoop it when you're ready. And let's see how you did. How'd you do with singer? S-I-N-G-E-R. Is in the, how'd you do with middle? That's a consonant L-E. M-I-D-D-L-E. Good. Of her last song. S-O-N-G. Very good. All right, third grade, that's all I have for you today. That was good practice to get us ready for our Unit 8 test. Good work. See you next time.